Hey, in front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this REALME. First of all, you need to access Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and tap on Got it. Now you need to click on the month above and pick a date. I will go with this one. In order to create your event, you need to tap here twice, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on Event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you need to. For example, add a title. Now you can pick your email address and one of those sections. I will go with Events. Select starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you wish for your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. You can also select Custom Section and adjust this option however you need to. Then choose Done at the top right corner to save your changes. Over here you can add people, videos and even choose Add Location. Now click on While using the app or only this time, type in an address and tap on the correct result. Then scroll down, pick color of your event for it to stand out more. Take some notes, add attachments and choose Add Notification. Now you can pick one of those options or select Custom and adjust it. I will go with 2 days before. In order to save your custom notification settings, choose Done. Then finally save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, you can always tap on it and edit it by tapping on this pen icon. Then make your changes, discard them by choosing this X, or save them by tapping on Save. If you wish to delete your event completely though, tap on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!